Outreach and Resettlement team at North Wales Housing.
It's Homeless Awareness Week 2024, and it's a time to not only highlight the issue of homelessness but to share the support that is available here across Gwynedd.
We work with those who experience homelessness, and the team supports them to live independently and move on to their own accommodation.
We can offer advice, support and where necessary provide emergency provisions to people who find themselves living on the streets.
Every weekday we are based at St Mary's Hostel, where we provide a gate service.
We work in partnership with Gwynedd County Council Homeless Team and also work closely with other support services including food banks. And together we are tackling homelessness.